What's up, TRC fans? Don't miss our annual Street Kings event at its new location, Bradenton Motorsports Park, on December 11th. What's up, guys? Javier from That Racing Channel. We are out here at Palm Beach International Raceway for our night meet. This is our last event at PBIR. Sadly, our last event. The track's being sold. We came to have one last hurrah. I mean, we'll plug a couple clips here, but the support that the racing community gave us for this event was absolutely unreal. I think we had a line probably about 2 miles out for, I think, still now. So I can't thank everybody enough that came out to the event to support, and tons of racers. Everyone's having fun. And we brought the R32. So last time you guys saw us, we were out here. We went a 9-1 and 158. We still have the IAT issue, but we're hoping it's a little cooler out tonight. So we're just gonna see if we can get away with it. Maybe make a pass or two, check the logs, maybe try to pull the headlight out. We're not sure yet, but we're gonna get up to the lanes, make a couple passes, and see if we can get that 8, boys. All right, guys, so first attempt, we bogged off the line. So we went 1.760 foot, 9.8, 156. So the prep is killer. So I told them, I'm like, look, all those barrels of PJ1, like, I want them all empty by the end of the night. Last hurrah, let's prep the track. So yeah, so it kind of bit me in the butt. We're gonna try bumping the 2-step and turn up the boost a little bit on the launch. I think that one was like 18 pounds, so we're gonna try to go like into the 20s and then just kind of send it and see what happens. So we're still seeing pretty high IATs. It's getting a little bit cooler. So I think on this one, I'm just gonna try to slip it out a little bit more and see if it works and try to crack that 8. Thank you, sir. See how that went, boys? Let's f***ing go. What? 8993. Let's f***ing go, baby. Woo! What? I looked up, I hit 1-2, I saw 1-4, whatever, and I was like, this is it! This is it! Oh my god. That's it. That's it. That's it. Alright, I'm going home. Y'all can stay and race. I'm gonna go home, go to sleep. Second time out.
That's sick, man. That's sick.
Second time out and the second run. Right?
Yep.
And the second time out. What'd you do that time?
Oh yeah, because we had the issue with the barrel sensor, so I raised the two-step, like 250 more RPM, and then we went ahead and just select 0 for more boost, and then it rammed it right up. So you have to look 60 mile an hour.
So how'd the log look?
Yo, listen, there is so much more room for improvement. So much more room for improvement. The only thing is like the air temperature is still climbing. So we registered 176.
Oh wow, it's even higher this time.
Oh yeah, so it's a lot higher. But the crazy thing is that we're fueling the car up so much down into the 10.6s just to keep the engine cool enough for that high intake temperature that if I was able to get the air intake temperature down and lean this out a little bit, we're probably at like another 125 to 150 horsepower.
At least. Look how fat it is. It's in the tens.
Yeah, it's in the tens. 1060, 1050, you see it all the way across. And then check this out. The boost now is flatlining. Because we fixed the issue with so we had an issue with the barrel sensor, right? To where it's going in and out because it's boost by gear. So the car will be in third gear and in the middle of the pass, it will actually neutral out into 0, and because of that, it will cancel out the boost controller. So we fixed that issue.
So that's probably why the tack was going to 0?
Oh yeah, that's why your tack was going to 0, and that's why your shift light stopped working because the barrel sensor is just out.
I stopped using that last time when it would just go to 0. Now I'm just
and now look
just
at
hearing that RB sing
and driver mod. Driver mod. So check it out. So that pass right there, 36 psi, and then the lowest it got down to was 35.
Okay, so we made a little bit more boost this time, and I guess it picked up mile an hour. It went 160.
Oh yeah. So the thing is that it's not that it picked up boost, it's that the boost now flatlining. Because before you were peaking at 35 and the shit was coming down to like 32 or whatever it is. Yeah. So now it's flatlining, and now it's sweet. So intercooler, inlet duct, lean out the car a little bit, driver mod. This car, honestly, me looking at it, 870s. I look at it 165 around there.
Street car, boy.
And then we fixed this kind of granny short shifted in first gear.
I got so excited. So if I wouldn't have short shifted that 1.2, that would have probably been like an 880.
Oh yeah, yeah, because this right here is the most important part. That 1.2 is the most important part.
Oh yeah, the 330 for the ET. 330 foot.
Which you're not clutching, right? You're not clutching that off.
I didn't clutch it, no.
Yeah, so even though you revved it lower this pass in first gear, you still carried out further than the last time we were here revving it to 8600.
Right.
So imagine if you would have took it to 8600 in first gear and shifted it, because you know your 60 foot is like what makes the difference at the time.
Oh, yeah.
The car would have went probably
80s.
For sure.
Yeah.
Oh man, we're on a good track, man. We're on a good track. That's it. We got our
man.
Oh man, we got our data. Make corrections, come back.
To be continued, man.
To be continued, man.
Hell yeah.
To be continued. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Thank you, brother.
That's it, we're done, man. No. Thank you, man. This is
Fucking
awesome.
did it.
Fucking 8 second pass. I love it.
Alright guys, so we freaking did it. We went 8-9, like I can't even believe it. Like we're what, 7 passes in or something like that. And we got 8, so we got an 8.993 at 160 miles an hour. We could have won 427 60 foot. And it's just it's so wild because we're still battling a lot of different challenges. You know, we don't have all the boost in it. Air fuel is really fat, so it's like super rich in the 10s air fuel wise. So we're battling that IET issue on that pass, but we figured, man, it's a little cooler. We're gonna try to send it. We got the 8.9, we did it. So now it's time to sort the IET issue. And next stop will be TRC Street Kings, December 11th at Bradenton Motorsports Park. We're gonna try to beat that. We're gonna try to best that. I don't quite know, maybe you guys can look out there, but I don't.
$8.99, baby.
Yeah.
$8.99.
Gordo, I got to thank Gordo. I got to thank my sponsors, Wonder Bread and Fig Newton. But honestly, I can't thank like Gordon and Andre and Keneal and the team enough. We did it. We did it, boys. Three-year build, blood, sweat, and tears, all the ups and downs. And there were so many times you just want to give up, but you just got to keep at it, and you just got to grab that. Whatever it is, that goal that you have, you got to grab it. So I could be more stoked. Andre's so freaking happy. He's probably out here drinking somewhere already. And but I think there's a good bit left in this thing. So I'm excited to see how much further we can go. Lastly, I want to give out a big shout out to the guys over in Australia. Andrew Motive DVD, Herman Platinum Racing Products, Spool Imports, B2R Motorsports, my boys over there. We're getting just info and data from these guys for the, through the 3-year build process, and some of the stuff that they, helped us with along the way was invaluable. Those guys have this GTR scene. I mean, they're the ones figuring this stuff out and pushing the envelope. So we're just happy to be participating in that craziness over there, because they're at a whole other level. So I hope this will inspire some people in the US here to really push this platform, because we're only 8 passes in, and I'll tell you, these things are fun as heck, man. And this has got to be one of my favorite, with just all-around experience, the way the RB sounds and all that stuff. So guys, you guys got some Skylines out there, build them, let's see them. Let's get a record going in the US. We'll probably do some research later and see if we're close to it, but that'll be the next stop, whatever the record in the US is for the GTRs.